Welcome to the Philips 27M2N8500 monitor setup tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up your Philips monitors. Let's get started. First, let's see what's inside the box. We have the monitor itself. We have the power cord, the HDMI cord, the DisplayPort cord, the USB-A to USB up cord, the base, the stand, and then we have the VESA mount, along with the VESA screws. Lastly, we also have the quick start guide, which is handy for setup instructions. Let's set up the monitor's base and stand. First, we will lay the monitor on a flat surface facing down. Next, we will connect the stand to the monitor. Gently attach the stand to the monitor until you hear a snap in place. Finally, we will screw the base to the bottom of the stand. Let's go over the Philips model's viewing angle. For optimal viewing, it is recommended to look at the full face of the monitor, then adjust the monitor's angles to your own preference. Hold the top and bottom of the monitor so it does not topple when you change the monitor's angle. The monitor can be height adjusted 130 millimeters and tilted -5 degrees to +20 degrees. It can also swivel -30 to +30 degrees. Note: please do not touch the LCD screen when you change the angle, as it may cause damage and break the LCD screen. Next, let's see the ports on the monitor. The first port is used to plug the power to the monitor. The monitor has two USB-A ports, a USB up port which is used to connect to the hub. We have two HDMI ports, a display port, and an audio port. In this example, we will connect via the HDMI port to the monitor and HDMI port to the computer. First, connect the power cable to your monitor and then plug into your nearest wall outlet. Next, we will plug into the monitor's HDMI port and to the HDMI port of the computer. Once we are done connecting the monitor to the computer, we can power on the computer and you will receive video signal to the monitor. To power the monitor off, press and hold the switch on the back of the monitor for 3 seconds. You will press and hold the same button to turn on the monitor. To access the OSD menu for the monitor, move the joystick to the right. Please pause the video for a guide of the joystick controls. To lock or unlock the monitor keys for the Philips monitor, press the joystick down for 10 seconds. You will see the display controls unlocked or locked display pop up if done successfully. You must be plugged in via the USB up port to the monitor to the USB-A port to your computer in order to activate the hub. You can use the USB Lightning port or the USB downstream port to connect your peripherals to your computer. In this example, we connect the mouse to the USB downstream port. And then we will go ahead and connect to the USB-A port of the computer. And now we will go ahead and test out the mouse to make sure it works. To access the OLED panel care, you will open the OSD menu by clicking right on the joystick. You will then continue moving the joystick right until you get to Setup, and then scroll down to OLED Panel Care. Here you can activate the screensaver, change the speed of pixel orbiting, activate pixel refresh, and access other settings which will protect the screen and reduce image sticking. And there you have it. Your Philips monitor is now ready to use. Maximize your competitive edge with ultra-smooth gaming performance.